Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the LED flashlight for notification alerts on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, swipe down a little bit, tap on accessibility, again swipe down a little bit and tap on audio and visual. Once you are here, you want to swipe down, go to the very bottom of the settings, and here in the visual section you are going to find LED flash for alerts. So one, you can turn on this feature and you can set the flash in the silent mode only, and also you can flash while unlocked. So flash in silent mode, it means even if you are going to be in a silent mode, when you're going to get an alert, the sound is not going to be played, but you're going to get a flash anyway. If you turn on this feature, if you turn it off in the silent mode, you're not going to get the flash with the alert. And also you can set up, do you want to have flash while the iPhone is unlocked? But I guess in demo cases you're not going to turn on this feature, maybe in some, but if you're, for example, holding an iPhone, using it when you're between some friends, and you're going to get this feature on and you're going to get a notification, it is going to look like that you're doing a photo or something. But maybe in some cases you want to have this feature on. So now it's on, now it's off. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.